Hi, welcome to 4411 Nolene. I am Jade Mills.
And I am Alexis LaMontagna, and this property is the closest you'll get to Northern California in beautiful, sunny Southern California.
So we could stand out here and talk all day, but why don't you come in and take a tour?
Welcome into this modern masterpiece built of all organic materials.
It is exquisite, and I love this sun-drenched living room with the skylights.
And you also have an oversized fireplace that's very cozy in the winter, and then you have this beautiful sunlit living room that's also wonderful in the summer.
So let's split up.
I'm gonna take you to the primary.
And I'll take you to the kitchen.
This is one of my absolute favorite rooms in the house. This is the primary sitting room. This is all pour-in-place concrete that was stamped with the beams that the house was built with. It's the perfect place to just sit and be cozy. So this sitting room leads you into the primary bedroom with double height ceilings, and it looks out onto the pool and the grounds, and it is absolutely stunning. And this will take you into the primary bath with a double wide shower and this bathtub. And you have these insane views out to nature into your beautiful backyard.
So I'm coming in from the formal dining room into this scrumptious kitchen. And as you can see, it is designed perfectly. The blue with the gold, really it's a chef's kitchen, and opens up onto this amazing room, which is also so architectural. My favorite part of this room are the beams and how the beams all come to one point, which focuses out to the yard and onto the pool, which is where you'll find Alexis.
Out here you have a beautiful sparkling pool and hot tub surrounded by mature landscaping, and coupled with pour-in-place concrete, you have wood beams, the green roof, an oversized outdoor dining table. You have the absolute best of Northern California here in Los Angeles. Now why don't you guys go ahead inside and meet my mom in the den.
So this house has so many wonderful architectural features, but this room is where the kids all come to gather. They come in and watch TV. This is like more of a cozy room, although it's still so elegant. And it's such a great room for mom and dad to hide all the toys because of all this great storage. Now let's go back and meet with Alexis.
Last but not least, this abundant edible garden.
You have squash blossoms, you have strawberries, many, many fruit trees on the property. Very exciting.
Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
If you thought this place was impressive, just wait. We've got so much more to show you. Like and subscribe, and you'll see more gorgeous places almost every day.